Hi! We are ready to go to Salt Lake City! Yay! Hello everyone. I'm trying to get the mountain. I'm here at the Young Living Farms in Mona, Utah. It's convention week and day one is farm day. And there's Mom. It's just so amazing. It's just so amazing to be here. We went to the distillery and got to see the juniper, being distilled. So awesome. Went to the farms, got pictures with the Ningxia, the wolfberries, the goldenrod, lavender, thyme, fennel. It's so neat to visiting the farm. It's just so amazing, and that's what sets like our company apart. Young Living is so proud to offer us the seed to seal process, where you get to see it right here at convention.
She is prepared. Excellent. Raise a chair for the beautiful lady, Marsha. Thank you, my lord. That was a beautiful demonstration indeed. Raise a chair for the Bandito. Oh, well struck.